Most people trying to make money with AI are doing it wrong. Not because the tools are bad, they're actually incredible, but because nobody tells you how much grinding is involved before you see your first dollar. Here's the reality. AI doesn't replace the work. It compresses it. And there are exactly 3 paths where regular people are actually seeing money show up, not just promises. Path 1. AI-generated content for niche audiences. Tools like ChatGPT and Claude can write scripts, blog posts, email sequences. Some creators use Midjourney or Leonardo for images. The realistic range? $200 to $2,000 a month. But here's the part tutorials skip. You need an audience first or client list. I see this fail constantly. Someone generates 50 blog posts with ChatGPT, posts them nowhere, and expects income. That's not how this works. You're still selling. You're just writing faster. Think, small SaaS companies that need product guides, niche blogs, Substack writers, or YouTube channels hiring scriptwriters. Real money is $12 to $25 per hour of work, maybe 40 hours a month if you're good at pitching. Path 2. Prompt engineering and API automation for small businesses. This is less sexy, but more honest money. A local plumber, a dentist's office, a real estate agent. They all have repetitive tasks. You use tools like Make or Zapier combined with OpenAI's API to automate emails, form responses, or scheduling. Most people get this wrong because they think about scale too early. You're not selling to thousands. You're selling to 10 to 20 local business owners. Setup fee, $500 to $2,000, then $50 to $300 monthly per client. That's where consistent money is. The catch? You need to actually understand a business's workflow, not just be good at AI. And your support staff. Path 3. AI-powered services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Copywriting gigs using ChatGPT, social media content, video editing with AI tools. Realistic range. $1,500 to $5,000 a month if you're established and good at client work. But you're competing with hundreds of people doing the same thing. Your edge isn't AI. It's niche expertise and client relationships. Honestly, this path has the lowest barrier to entry and the lowest earnings ceiling. You'll spend a lot of time on proposals and communication. Here's what every successful person on these paths has in common. They treated AI as a tool to improve existing skills, not as a magic replacement for business fundamentals. You still need to sell. You still need to deliver. You still need to support clients. AI just makes you faster and cheaper. The most common failure point? Starting before you have a system. People jump into content creation without a platform, freelancing without a portfolio, or automation without a client. Build first. Automate second. That's the actual order. If you're serious about this, pick one path, commit to 3 months of work with zero expectation of immediate income, then measure what's actually working. The money shows up, but only after the work does. Subscribe for more honest breakdowns on AI tools and income. No hype, just what's real.